Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming a get ready with me and I am doing this look, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Good morning guys, in today's video we are gonna do a get ready with me and I have some new products, at least new to me. I bought the Benefit blush. These are kinda new but kinda old as well, similar to the Huda Beauty concealer. I bought the Viv lip dew, I really wanted this. Then I bought a Viv lipstick as well. And the newest product is for sure this one. This is the Too Faced Extreme Lip Shaper, the lip liner from Too Faced. And I got another shade from this Ultimate Eye Paint from NYX. And then we're gonna use other products that are newer in my collection. So let's start with primer. For primer I bought pretty recently this one. I am still testing it out. It's the LH Cosmetics Matte Attack. This one is a smoothing primer and it's not my favorite so far, just because this works only with glowy foundations. If I have a very matte foundation, it will not be the best because it will stick to this primer, and similarly to a gripping primer, it will not blend out. So for me this works if I am if I am blending in portions, one cheek and then the forehead. That way it works. If I'm just placing dots of foundation everywhere, they will just stick to this primer and it will not blend out. For foundation, I got yesterday this one in my Sephora order. This is the Glowish Multidew Skin Tint. I want to use the shade number 2 Fair Light, and I'm gonna use this one and mix it in with my concoction. I want to mix these two. So this is the Dose of Colors Meteor Hue foundation. This is too yellow for me, and the Purito is a bit gray. Even though it is mixing well on my skin tone, I want to see what this combination does. Okay, so these are all three on my hand. I can see now that the Huda Beauty is just too dark for me. I have always this problem with testers because they are always too dark. It is what it is. But I think this color overall will be fine. Probably. Let's just put it in here and hope for the best, but it seems pretty glowy, so it should work with the primer pretty well. I'm just blending immediately with a sponge and I would say that it looks pretty good. I have just a bit of self tanner. Okay, foundation is done. I'm prepping the lips with the Fenty Eyes. So conclusion is that the glowy stuff from Huda, the glowy stuff, got lost a bit. I feel like I can see a glow, but sure, the shade is too dark for me. And then these two mixed up, they look really good. The shade seems pretty good for me. Let's use the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm very happy that this is not a first impression, because that would have been a disaster. I have the shade Meringue 2.1 from the Huda concealer, and I heard a lot of good stuff about this one, so let's apply a bit in here and a bit in here, and let's blend it out because I'm a bit scared with this primer. Let's apply some setting spray because my skin looks really dry. I understand that that is the point of the primer, but still, let's apply some setting spray. I'm using the Fix Plus Stay Over. This one has a really fine mist, so if you don't like the Fix Plus normal mister, this one is way better. That one is just a bit aggressive. So let's apply just a tiny bit concealer on some pimples, but let's blend it out pretty fast, because again I am a bit scared that this will just dry in that spot and I will be unable to blend it, and that happened anyway. I'm a bit annoyed. If you have very oily skin, I think you will like this primer, but if you have anything else, like normal to oily or combo or something, you need very glowy products to make this one work, because otherwise everything will stick to this primer and you will be unable to blend anything. I'm gonna use the Revolution cream bronzer. This was in the favorites last year. I really love this one. Very easy to blend, pigmented but not overly pigmented, and really good bronzer overall, and it is from the drugstore, which is a bonus, and I really like it. I did set my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. Let's apply some blush. So I did buy the Benefit Shellie blush, but I bought it in a mini because I don't need a lot of products, and we are gonna use this Refer number 5, and let's see. This seems to have just a bit of shine, but it's not shimmery or something. I already really enjoy this blush. Okay, and lastly for the base, let's apply a bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona one. This is the Super Glow in the shade number 1 Fair. And let's put a bit in here. I really enjoy this highlighter. It is pretty new in my collection, but it is lovely. I am so happy that I finally decided to purchase this one. Okay, so I did the brows off camera because that is a pretty boring step, and I primed the lid as well. Let's remove this lip thingy because we are doing lips, and I bought the Too Faced pencil in the shade in Big Truffle, and actually this is a click pen, so don't try to twist this. I did that. It's not a twist up pen. So I'm gonna apply this. Let's see. This is pretty creamy. I can't believe this. This is actually plumping. I didn't expect it. I was thinking that they are maybe putting the name just to be in the same line with the plumpers, but no, this is stinging a bit. Then I bought the Viv lipstick with the animal print. It was so stunning, so I really wanted it. The shade is called 90s, but like this. It is interesting. So this is I can feel the tingle. I didn't expect that really. And this is the Viv lipstick. I don't know if it will go together, but let's see. Okay, it is pretty light. I will blend it with the lip pencil. Okay, so this is the lipstick and lip liner combo, but my lips are in pain, so this is actually painful. And yes, I don't know what I was expecting, because again I am buying plumping stuff, but I was so curious, and this is a different product because I didn't see any other lip pencil plumpers, so it is interesting. I am a bit in pain, but it is a bit better than the lip gloss. That one is horrible. This lipstick is beautiful. I really love this compact. It has a magnet and it looks really luxurious. I really like it, and the color is very beautiful. It is like a bit of a darker nude on my skin tone. It is lovely. We will apply the lip dew at the end. I'm gonna remove just a bit of this lip products and put the lip dew on top. But let's do eyes, because I bought this one. This is the NYX Ultimate Eye Paint, and I have in here the shade Calling All Eyes. And then I have this Catrice Mint Shadow. This is the number 410, and this is a pretty cute color. This is not a first impression, this one is, even though I do know this formula. So I think we will do this one in the inner corner. I'm gonna put this one on the lid and into the crease on the middle part of the eyelid. And then I have these 3 palettes that I want to mix in because I want to do purple on the exterior. Let's start with a matte from here, just to have something darker on the outer edge in here. I'm gonna use this one and just to put it right here, and we will blend it a bit in here, but not too much, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash as well. The mattes from this palette are pretty nice, but the cream shadows are just creasing on me, so I just don't love those. So considering that this is a 9 pen and 2 of these shadows are not working perfectly, that is not great. Okay, so I just placed this darker matte, and then let's blend it out with a purple. Let me see which one. We are gonna use the shade Peace Out from the Do Not Disturb from beige, and I'm gonna take a brush like this one. This is the Zoeva 231, and I'm gonna put just a bit of shadow right in here just to blend this edge. I think it's been like 5 minutes and my lips are still hurting, so it is called Extreme Lip Shaper, so it is the extreme formula from Too Faced. So yeah, are they looking bigger? Maybe. I'm gonna leave it like that and we will blend just a bit later. I want to apply this one on the lid, so let's take a smaller brush. This is the Refer number 2. I'm gonna apply this a bit on my hand. These paints from NYX are pretty good, but they are pretty pricey as well. They are like 12, maybe 15 bucks, which is pretty pricey. I'm gonna apply a bit of this on the lower lash, just in here. Now I'm taking this light pink and I am just diffusing the edges because I don't want a harsh line. For a shimmer on the lid, I'm gonna use this one. It's called Me Time, and I'm gonna spray it and we are gonna put it on top of the paint, and then I'm gonna put the mint on the inner corner. Now I'm blending this edge and adding a bit more of the darker purple because it got lost a bit. And now I'm blending a bit with the lighter purple. Okay, so these are the eyeshadows done. I really like this look. It is colorful and I really enjoy it. I'm gonna put some blue on the waterline, some lashes, mascara and everything, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I do really like it, but oh boy, I hate doing wing liner. I need to do it more so I could be better, but always a struggle. So let's remove a bit of this lipstick and let's add a bit of gloss. I don't think it will look the best because it's orange, but I want to test it out. This is the Lip Dew Glossy Lip Oil from Viv. It is called Pesca. The shade is Pesca. You got the point. So let's apply a bit of this. Oh, it smells wonderful. like toffee or something. Okay, so these are the lips. It is a thicker formula, which I really like. I like the applicator, the packaging and everything, and the color looks really good. So this has potential, but of course this is a first impression. I will add it in a speed review with most of these products because I didn't review them yet, and I will let you know once I try them a bit more. So let's talk about some products. So the primer is not my favorite. You for sure need to work really fast with it. The Huda concealer looks really nice, but I need to test it more with other foundations and for sure with other primers, but it looks pretty good. I did apply a pretty small amount as well, so I need to apply more, less, and with other foundations. Then the blush, it's really beautiful. I really like it because it's natural and glowy, but not very glowy, and I really like this one. I'm happy with the purchase. The lipstick as well, it is a very beautiful component, and it is matte but still comfortable, so I of course will test this one more with other lip liner and without a gloss on top and see how it wears and everything, but so far I do enjoy it. The plumping lip liner is something else. It feels painful, but it's not that bad compared to the lip gloss. I like it, but it's not my favorite. It is creamy, it looks nice, it is a nice color. This one in Big Truffle. I don't love that it is a click pen. I would have preferred a twisty mechanism just because this could break pretty easily, so I am scared of that. This color is wonderful and the formula is really nice. It is easy to blend and pretty pigmented. You can do wings and everything with it, so I do recommend this one, even though it is just a bit pricey. This one is very affordable, and look at this, it is a mint and it's something a bit different. It is shiny, looks beautiful, it is pretty inexpensive, and it's pretty good quality. I really like this Catrice shadow. If you want to add just a pop of something on your look, you can do a all brown smoky eye and add this on your inner corner, and it adds something a bit different. So overall I do like most of these, but of course I need to test them more with other combinations and I will add them in a speed review. I do have a bunch of products that will be in that video. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.